Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make a mask using bra. So we're gonna do a DIY mask. So what we're gonna need is bra, garter. We call this garter. And what do you call this one again? Sinulid. So let's start. So first we need to cut this. Like this. So it's gonna be like that. So we're gonna remove the thingies on the side. Then there. Oopsie. This is a metal. So we just need to properly take the off.
Why are you taking the dirty off?
I'm making a mask because there's no. Turn that off, that's fine. So like this. This one is good because it's thick. It has a foam, so you can do like this. Oh yeah, you can do like that.
Hello.
Oh yeah, this one is fine as well like that, but it's better like this so that it will have design. So we're gonna sew it on the side, both sides, with the garter. So we're gonna sew this one with the garters. Stretchable garter. So maybe we can do like this. It's better like that. There. So we're gonna make two versions of the mask. It's like this. First one will be... Yes, baby.
Where's this one couldn't go here?
That's my bra.
What is that?
We're gonna make a mask.
Mask like
Mask. So we're gonna sew it.
Sew it. I'm just watching you.
Okay. Where's your thingy? Okay. So like that. And like this. So this is a DIY. Do it yourself. Kasi nagkakaubusan na ng
I put. What is this? It's getting back. Okay.
So there. So we need to sew it on the other side. Let me just try it. If it's gonna work like this. If it's gonna work like this. Oh yeah, it's working. So I'm gonna ask my kids to try it on later. This is cool, man. it again. And this side. And no one will notice that this was a bra before kasi look, there is a design, diba? The design looks cool. See? Look, it's so cool.
Don't say cool. I told you to not say cool.
Okay, there you go. There is the mask. Mask. There. Okay, come on, Marky, try it. So these are the masks. You can use it when it's like when the volcano erupt, dust mask, something like that. So there you have it.